So, in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea. So the postmaster did not want to disappoint Lencho. So answer the letter. The postmaster himself wanted to answer the letter. The postmaster wanted to answer the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. He had opened the letter and read what the Lencho had written. On reading that, he came to know he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper. The postmaster has the goodwill. So with that goodwill means have the good mind, a good heart to reply Lencho. But the postmaster had the goodwill, ink and paper. But postmaster needed something more than them. What is that? What is that? We shall come to know that. Continue the passage. But he stuck to his resolution. Resolution means oath. He stuck to his oath. What was that oath, sir? He wanted to write letter to Lencho. He wanted to write answer. He wanted to reply Lencho's letter. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. So he wanted to help Lencho. He asked for money from his employees, and he himself gives a part of his salary, and several friends of his were ready to give him something just for an act of charity. Finally, he had collected some money for Lencho. That means you can understand that Lencho had asked for money. Yes, he had written, I want something, God. If you give me that, you can see that in the previous passage already. You can see that to God, if you don't help me, my family, and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos exactly. The postman tried to collect 100 pesos from his colleagues, from his friends. He wanted to help the man. He wanted to help Lencho. Right, anyhow, it was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pieces. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half, 50 plus, 50 pesos plus. He put the money in an envelope, addressed it to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature. That means he put the money in the cover, fold it, and again write a letter to Lencho, put the letter in the cover, stamp it. Down, we write at the end of the letter. So what do we write? Yours faithfully, yours lovingly, with love, like that. He wrote, yours faithfully or yours lovingly, down, God. It seems that God had replied. Right. So friends, this is part 2. Hope you had enjoyed the story. So whether Lencho had received the letter, if Lencho received, what did he do? How did he react? Did he reply to the letter again or not? Let's know in the next part. Right? Thank you so much.